That's a clean strike. Nice fluent swing and gets half a dozen. Good start to the innings for Minhas.
Arafat Minhas has been extremely impressive in this Pakistan Junior League. Just first ball of Hasan Ali Jr. He's playing his first game and he takes the attack to him. Down the ground for maximum.
Again, you can tell the form of both teams. Of course, the Giants making 4 changes to their 11 that played the last game. Hamza Nawaz, Matthew Trump from the US, Hasan Ali Jr., who is bowling at the moment, and Saklin Nawaz, who we saw with the new ball.
Apart from them, it has been the Rawalpindi Raiders who have done that. Gujranwala has struggled to set a target, so it's a very good toss for them to win. Like you said, Darren, on the pitch, that some extra water was given to balance it out. So very important toss to win. That's the last wicket of a bad delivery.
Nice view from high. Still, despite the rain we had yesterday, this Gaddafi Stadium looks a picture. End of the power play, 9 runs coming from the 6th over, 40 for 2. Lofted drive, catches the call, but wide of that field in long off. And still searching for that formula to gain success.
The idea is right, having an off-spinner to the left-hand batter, but these two batters have looked really good against spin. Just in 13 deliveries, even with loss of wickets, they have got 20 runs together. And that is where you will have to be proactive, staying one step ahead of the game, because since these two have come to play the spinners, the scoring rate has gone up. With pace, the flight, and that is a good fielding at the boundary. Not the best of deliveries, but a good shot and a very good fielding. Couple of runs saved.
Cleaned him up. Playing across the line of the ball, always risky. Hasan Ali Jr. And his father will be proud of him. That's his first wicket, and it's a big one.
And his celebration looks like the senior Hasan Ali, the fast bowler. He's really enjoyed that wicket. Luke Benkenstein, he was looking dangerous. Played across the line. And the spinner, using that carom ball, gets the big wicket. Look at that celebration, what it means to him. Luke Benkenstein has to walk back for 26. Gwadar Sharks 54 for 3.
Ibrahim, the new batter. Daniel Ibrahim have a big job on his hands. 8 overs gone, 55 for 3.
And this is why Daniel Ibrahim is here. The carom delivery, taking the off stump of Luke Benkenstein. He was looking really good, but a big swing and missed it completely. Excellent celebrations there. A lot of passion.
Arafat Minhas, of course, will be riding high on confidence. 80 runs so far in the tournament before this match. A strike rate of 142. Had a good 40 against the Hunters. So important as a player when you start a tournament to get runs behind your name. Sets you up nicely for the remainder of the series. And you've got to try and capitalize on early form.
Absolutely, 2 40s for him. That's a big shot. It's in the gap. Just 1 run. So yeah, you're right. With early runs, what it does is also help you come up the order.
That's swept from the stumps. Yeah, I'm keeping my eyes on Basatali as well after that quick fire half century followed by a century. At the business end of the tournament too. That's when you know players separate themselves from the pack. Didn't try to hit it too hard. Nice and controlled. Ibrahim. Just 6 runs from the over. A quiet one. Halfway stage of the innings. 67 for 3.
Oh, there's a chance of the non-strikers. Trouble, gone. Arafat Minhas were in no mood for that single, but Ibrahim just kept on going.
Seen it, haven't we? We've seen misfields, we've seen drop catches, and we've seen run-outs. It's the 3 things, I think, that have just slightly let them down at times. When the partnership is building 37 from 26, the over before they get 14. They know that they're putting the fielders under pressure. And just that little bobble. Ultimately, yes, it is Daniel Ibrahim's call. Surely there was never a run there. They wanted a wicket, they've got it. The Giants, it's the end of Daniel Ibrahim. He goes to 15. The Sharks are 91 for 4.
Was there any call from Arafat saying no? No, by the time he looks at his partner, he's already gone.
Watching the ball doesn't give that signal early on to say no. So just keep your eye on the professor. Is he happy with? It's just something, I think. But they're under 19s. They're going to make mistakes. That's what this competition is all about.
He's got a top edge of it, and this is an opportunity. That's a big wicket, I tell you that. Arafat Minhas has been scoring for the Sharks, and this time around, he's gone with 7 overs available.
Whether this bounces, I'm not so sure, but I think he's trying to get on top of it. Oh, he doesn't know. He actually goes up, and hence why he's giving an opportunity to Chevon Daniel, who takes a good catch. And once again, delight for Hasan Ali Jr. That celebration again, and it is a big wicket. Arafat Minhas goes to 37, 95 for 5.